Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and certification services. We bring precision and innovation to ISO 9921-2020 testing. Did you know the acoustics of furniture play a critical role in enhancing comfort and reducing distractions? At CDG Inspection, we specialize in ISO 9921-2020, ensuring your furniture meets global standards for noise emissions. Our cutting-edge facilities are designed to simulate real-world conditions, providing accurate and reliable results. ISO 9921-2020 sets the benchmark for furniture acoustics, reducing noise pollution and improving user experience. From office chairs to home furniture, we test it all to help you deliver products that exceed customer expectations. Our highly trained experts ensure every test meets the highest standards of accuracy and efficiency. With state-of-the-art technology, we provide the insights you need to refine your products. Our detailed reports and certifications ensure you meet compliance requirements and gain customer trust. We cater to a wide range of industries, including corporate, education, and residential sectors. We also support sustainable practices by testing furniture made from eco-friendly materials. Our clients trust us to deliver results that drive their success. Here's what they have to say. With a global network of laboratories, we're always close to you. Partner with CDG Inspection for unmatched ISO 9921-2020 testing services. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, redefining standards, delivering excellence.